What's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is "When Your Happy Meal Comes with a McFelony." All right, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
Today on Uncovered.
You need a goddamn punt right in the goddamn face.
Is that a threat?
Shut the fuck up. Slam and take. Shoot me. Take me.
And then if you refuse to leave, then you're gonna go to jail.
You better call your supervisor. I ain't leaving until your supervisor shows the fuck up. I want to see your supervisor.
Supervisor's gonna tell you the
Yes, he will. I want to see your goddamn lieutenant.
What will happen is
whoever the fuck.
Can
I
talk to you?
I'll talk to him, not you.
I am the supervisor.
No, you're not.
How do you know?
Where's your strike?
I don't have any.
Exactly. You're not the goddamn supervisor.
I'm the supervisor
like
of this situation.
I want to
right
see your
now.
goddamn boss.
Can I tell you what's gonna happen?
Nothing.
You're gonna get a citation.
No, I'm not.
And then if you refuse to leave, then you're gonna go to jail.
Bullshit.
It ain't bullshit. That's the
Where's your boss?
That's the fucking fact.
Where's your fucking boss?
That's the fact.
Where's your fucking boss?
I'll be right back.
Pretend to be me?
Be right back.
You ain't pretending to be
Oh, I ain't pretending, bud.
bullshit.
Be right back.
Bitch.
You grab his name.
It's on the ticket.
It's on the ticket.
His fake address is homeless.
Is it a real name? Real name?
Should have stole my fucking money.
Give the ID to
Oh, perfect.
Why aren't you wanting to leave the McDonald's?
It's fucking raining and I'm homeless.
You need a ride somewhere?
Where? I'm not going to Helping Hand.
Anywhere
It's
else?
where you want me to go.
I
I'm
don't
not
care.
going where you want me to.
Can you let me talk?
No.
I don't care if you go to
pretending
Helping
to be
Hand or
me.
not.
It's not happening.
I'm not pretending.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm
not. Feeling it.
Well, you're feeling wrong.
Bullshit.
What I'm telling you is,
No, you're not.
I will
want
give
to see
you a
your
ride.
goddamn chief.
The chief ain't working.
Bullshit.
The chief goes
Call
home.
your supervisor then.
Don't need one here.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you fucking do.
No, we don't.
Bullshit. I'll sit here all goddamn day. I'm on camera.
No.
Touch me, I dare you.
You won't be doing that either.
Yeah, we will.
I'm offering to give you
I
a
want
ride.
your supervisor,
I'm
and that's
offering-
what I'm fucking requesting,
I'm offering
and
to
you
give
won't
you a
fucking do
ride.
it.
That's
Shut
correct.
the fuck up.
I'm going to. I'm offering to
Shut
give you a
the
ride.
fuck up.
I'm
I
offering
want
to
your
give you a
goddamn
ride.
supervisor.
I'm
Shut
offering
the fuck
to
up.
give you a
Don't
ride.
even open that goddamn mouth.
I am
You
offering
need to knock
to
the
give
fuck
you
out.
a ride. Is that a threat?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm
100%
offering
sure.
to give
You just
you
need to knock the
a
fuck
ride.
out. Shut the fuck up.
I'm offering
He
to give
can
you
see
a ride.
it. Play his fucking day.
I just
You're
want to give
pretending
you
to
a
be
ride.
me.
I'm not
Shut the
pretending to
fuck
be
up.
anybody. I would just like
You're
to
not
ride.
me.
Can we ride? This is the way we're gonna
I
go.
want your goddamn supervisor.
Well, he's not coming.
Yeah, he is.
I really don't think he is.
I see people getting shot in the head right now. Yeah, I do.
Want to go to the hospital?
No.
This guy is a nut job. I wonder what drugs he on. He definitely got to be on something. Probably homeless. Think he homeless? Maybe.
You want to go to the hospital? You'll be fucking murdered.
I'm just asking.
Your name's not taken.
No.
You don't pretend to be somebody you're fucking not. Try to celebrity.
Are you feeling
Goddamn
alright?
fucking pathetic.
Is there something wrong with
No.
Is something going on?
There's something wrong with your fucking head.
I'm
Sit there
asking,
shaking your feet.
is there
Pretend to be a
something
man in
wrong?
the sun.
Is there something?
I'm not
is there
fucking
something wrong?
stupid.
Can we help you?
Shut the fuck up. You're not your goddamn supervisor.
That's correct. I am not a supervisor.
You tell walkie-talkie right there and say, I need my goddamn supervisor now. Yeah, you will. We'll
We're
see here
already-
all goddamn night.
No, we aren't.
Yeah, we will.
I'm telling you what's
You
going to
touch me
happen.
on camera, I'm pressing fucking charges.
Okay. I'm offering to give you
You
a
ain't
ride.
doing
I'm offering to take you to the
You're not
hospital.
doing
I will take you literally
You're
anywhere
not
you
doing
want.
shit. Shut the fuck up. Get the
Literally
fuck
anywhere
out.
you want, sir.
Now.
Anywhere you want.
Shut the fuck up.
Well, I'm not
Get
leaving.
out.
I'm not leaving.
You're not him. He's not talking.
You're the one
You
that's
are
gonna be
leaving.
leaving. This is not
You
his
will
fault.
leave whether you fucking
My
want to
fault.
or not. You can see
gonna
the
be
dumb bitch's face on mine.
Leg
What
and
a
leg.
supervisor.
I'll talk to you goddamn supervisor, not dumb bitch pretending to be me.
What do you want from
You
the
will be fired.
Can you ask him if the
Shut
supervisor
the
is
fuck
going
up.
to leave, if he's going to leave?
You need a goddamn punch right in the goddamn face.
You're about to go to jail for
Bull-
threatening public officials. You
That's
better
not
watch
trying
your...
to shit.
Would the supervisor be able to convince you to leave, or
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
would the supervisor be able to convince you to leave, or no?
I'll talk to your goddamn supervisor.
That's
when
not
he
what
shows
we're
the
asking.
fuck up.
That's not what we're asking.
Yeah, it is.
Listen to him.
No.
You don't need to yell. If he came,
You better shut the fuck up, bitch.
Listen to him.
Shut the fuck up.
Listen to him.
Die.
Listen.
Die.
Listen to him.
Die. Shut the fuck up.
if he came and he said you had to leave.
I want to see your goddamn supervisor. Shut the f*** up.
If he came and
You
said
ain't
you had to
talking.
leave, though, what would you do?
Saying to be dating right now. You're a goddamn call. Bullshit.
This is a citation in
Don't
lieu of
care.
arrest.
I want to see your goddamn supervisor.
You
I'll
have
sit
a
here all
court date.
goddamn night.
You have a court date on April 22nd.
Don't care. Ain't going to the goddamn court, mate.
Down at the
Not
courthouse
happening.
at 1:30.
Pressing charge against every fucking cop in
You
here
don't
right
go to
now.
get your warrant. Now we're gonna give you this.
You ain't doing shit. Shut the fuck up.
If you don't leave,
Shut
you're
the
gonna
fuck
be. You do not leave.
Shut the fuck
You'll
up.
be arrested.
I want to see your goddamn supervisor.
So there's that. Now you're gonna leave.
Want your supervisor.
If the
It's your
supervisor
goddamn
comes in,
job.
if a supervisor tells you to leave, are you
Okay,
gonna
that's your goddamn boss, not you,
Are
bitch.
you gonna leave?
Yeah, bring him down here now.
Well, we can't hear a radio if you're yelling.
See, this is, I don't know when this started. This started a few years ago where, you know, a lot of police departments, you know, the public has been requesting supervisors but what people don't understand is that 9 times out of 10, the supervisor is going to agree with whatever the officer is saying. Okay, there's like a 1% chance that the officer is way out of pocket and the supervisor is going to go in a different direction or whatever the case may be. It's completely pointless to call the supervisor down there. And people are just wasting time. Get your supervisor, like he's going to go against his officers. That's not going to happen. They're going to go, even if the officer's wrong, honestly, they're going to agree whatever in the time being. And then they'll talk about it like afterwards when they back at the station or something like that or whatever, something like that. But in front, they're not in front of whoever they're trying to arrest or get to comply or whatever. They're not going to reprimand them in front of the civilian like that. That's not going to happen.
Hey, right.
Can you shut your mouth?
Shut the f up. Unlawful force is what it is.
Okay.
Body slamming, shooting, tasing, smashing,
I'm
everything.
just gonna tase him if it gets to that.
Bullshit.
That's what's gonna happen.
No, it's not.
You'll be
I want to see your
tased.
goddamn boss.
The boss is coming,
Okay.
but if you don't
Shut
leave,
the f up.
you're gonna get arrested.
Shut the f up.
Fine by me.
Shut the f up.
Can you just lower your voice?
No.
Just lower your voice.
Shut the f up.
You need to
Before I
lower
knock
your
you
voice.
the f out. That is a threat
He's going
now.
to jail. Okay. Let's go. You're under arrest.
Yeah, you gotta do that. I won't resist.
Stand up.
I'm not resisting. You can stop.
Cancel him. All right, let's go.
Making sure you got my bag first.
We're getting it.
I can still make sure.
We're getting it.
There's no problem with that, now is there?
Nope.
Better throw that goddamn drink away. Should've just got your goddamn supervisor right there. You pushing me for? I ain't doing shit wrong. Gonna fucking looking at you? You're gonna run your fucking mouth.
Get head away from me.
If you wanna know what's in my pocket, you ain't gotta slam me against the goddamn car.
You're not cooperating.
Yes, I fucking will. I'll cooperate just goddamn fine. This motherfucker knows it.
Stop saying yes when you search it.
Then get me off this goddamn car.
No, you won't stop.
Yeah, you're a lying bitch. You're a goddamn body kick.
Moving.
Put my goddamn shoe back on or let me do it. I'm not even fucking resisting. Quit pulling my goddamn
Yes,
arm.
you are.
No, I'm fucking not.
Yes, you are.
Bullshit. I put my fucking shoe back on.
When we're done.
Okay? You ain't gotta do that. I ain't doing nothing. Just stop. Ain't doing shit. You search me just like you want. Gotta put my fucking shoe.
Your shoe can wait. If you want to act like this, you can
Not
wait.
you. I'm not fucking goddamn arm, kid. Think you're gonna do that shit to me? Get my fucking
That's
face.
fucked up.
Stop squeezing my
That's fucked up. I ain't gonna lie. Cause not every time, I don't know. Every the police department is different, right? I have different frisk procedures, right? And the shoe is a part of a frisk procedure, you know what I'm saying? But in the field like that, they don't really do that. They don't do that. You know what I'm saying? So for them doing this to him, it's just like we got you kind of thing. You feel me? Because now his foot is wet. You feel me? Like, because he was yip yapping at the mouth. You feel me? Like that's you see that big ass puddle that his shoe was in? Oh my gosh. Look at this big puddle that his shoe was in. This is funny.
Your shoe can wait. If you want to act like this, you can wait.
Get my fucking face.
Easy. Easy.
Stop squeezing my.
Oh, they gonna get them together.
Yeah, see if we can get the transport up here. You got bars in your window?
Yeah. Can I put this shit down, please?
No, you cannot. Are you gonna be cool if I let it down?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Because it'll come right back up if you're not.
We're good. Want my shoes?
Slip it on.
Old Town Water. Tito's.
Any unit trying to make contact.
You don't smell vodka. Shut the f up.
We get the rest of the code open.
Can you loosen these handcuffs just a little bit?
First, you got
Maybe in a minute.
I will.
I get that, but it's got to be a minute.
You got 3 pants on?
Just sweatpants and shorts.
All right. You got anything in your shorts pockets?
Don't have short pockets.
Pants pockets, sweatpants pockets?
Sweatpants pockets, don't have them. Just got them for free. That's all I got to wear. Everybody stole my shit.
Fair enough, man.
You untie it. Better just uncut me and tie them back.
We'll talk about that. You see if he's got a pocket on that side, Spade.
Yeah, I got
In this, no, his pocket, or his pants, sweatpants. I don't know if he's got pockets or not. Doesn't much look like it. I don't see any. Alright. I'm just gonna book all this and fuck him with it.
I have one chest pocket, but there's nothing there.
Okay. I appreciate you telling me.
Not even goddamn.
I can feel that beating.
Yeah.
You got at
Ain't
least
a big
that.
beating for
Alright, come on in this car. James.
Put my shoe on.
We'll do it in the
Get
car.
on.
It'll be easier in the car. You can do it in the car.
Can you loosen
Walk with
these
no
up so I
shoe
can
on.
sit back? I can't crank down on my goddamn wrist. I can fit my pointer. No, you can't.
I can fit my pointer.
It's on my goddamn bone.
I'll get this one.
Motherfucker!
Chill out for me.
Loosen the motherfucker!
I'm trying not
now!
to, but you're moving.
No, I'm
Stand.
not!
Yes,
You're
you are.
moving my goddamn hands!
Say it one more time. I'm not doing it because it's not going to be easy.
Motherfucker! Ah!
You put your foot in for me?
No, not till you loosen these motherfuckers!
Just did.
No, you didn't!
I just did, sir.
No, you fucking didn't! You stupid fucking skank!
Okay.
Don't even put it on!
I'm going to.
No, you're not!
You're not going to be throwing yourself around on it.
Shut the up, you goddamn...
The suspect now faces charges of disorderly conduct, aggravated menacing, resisting arrest, and aggravated assault of a police officer, all stemming from a violent refusal to leave a McDonald's.
God damn. Yeah, disorderly conduct, that was an easy one. That's definitely an easy one. Yo, that frisk of the foot was so funny. So funny. Because now he just got wet feet, wet socks though, for hours. It's because they're going to sit down at the station, fill out the paperwork, whatever. Like, that's hilarious. I ain't going to lie to you. I get a cops. Man, they got a lot more patience than me, boy. Whoo, all that yip-yapping at the mouth, bro. I ain't going to lie to you, but you could clearly tell something wrong with him. So I could see why they... they was, he ain't wrapped too tight, so I give them a 3. 3 out of 5. They did pretty good.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.